Hi, I'm Paula Doyle, and today we're going to talk about binding your quilts. Now, binding your quilts, you don't necessarily need to have bias binding, although bias binding is the strongest finish you can give a quilt. And on certain types of quilts, like the ones with the scalloped borders, you probably would want to do bias binding. And I'm going to take my binding and I'll just wind it around that loop roll section of the binding necklace, like so. The finished binding is going to be a 1/2 inch in size, and it's going to be pretty darn perfect when it comes to it.